The story of King Meghrath. King Meghrath was a noble and powerful ruler, known for his deep compassion, truthfulness, and non-violence. His kingdom thrived under his leadership, and he was loved by his people. Meghrath practiced the principles of Jainism diligently, even while managing the complexities of a kingdom. One day, his enemies plotted to invade his kingdom. A neighboring king sent a powerful army to destroy Meghrath's land. As the army marched closer, Meghrath's ministers and soldiers urged him to fight back. But Meghrath, being a devout follower of non-violence, refused to engage in war. Instead, he meditated deeply, trusting that righteousness would protect him. When the enemy forces arrived, Meghrath stood alone at the gates, unarmed and calm. His unwavering courage and peaceful presence startled the invading soldiers. Overwhelmed by his aura of serenity and fearlessness, the opposing king reconsidered his actions. Realizing the future